Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, my friends. I am so happy you are here today.
Hey everyone, I'm Jack, and this is my friend Julia. And yes, we are very, very happy to see you.
Today, we talk about something very important, something we all feel sometimes.
Yes, today we ask, why do you care so much what other people think?
Yes, you want to say something, but you stop. You think, what will they think about me?
You want to speak English, but you are scared. You think, maybe they will laugh at me.
So you say nothing. You stay quiet, and later you feel sad.
Does this sound like you? If yes, stay with us. This episode is for you.
And don't worry, we speak slowly. We use easy words. This is A1 and A2 level English, perfect for you.
So before we start, please do one thing for us. Hit that subscribe button. It helps us so much.
Yes, and click like if you enjoy this video. It makes us so happy.
Okay, my friends, take a deep breath, relax, smile, and let's talk together.
So, Jack, I want to ask you something. Do you remember when you were a child, did you care what people think?
Good question. When I was very, very small? No, I didn't care.
Me too. When I was maybe 4 or 5 years old, I didn't care. I was free.
Exactly. I sang loudly, I danced in the streets, I wore funny clothes. No problem.
Yes, children are so free. They don't think, oh no, what will people think? But then something changes.
Yes, something changes. Maybe at school, maybe at home. Someone laughs at you.
Yes, maybe you say something and people laugh. Not a kind laugh, a mean laugh.
Or maybe you wear something different and someone says, "Why do you look like that?"
And that moment, it hurts. It feels bad inside your heart.
Yes, and your brain remembers. Your brain says, "Oh, be careful. People are watching."
So you start to be more careful. You think before you speak. You think before you act.
And slowly, slowly, you start to care too much.
Yes, you care what your friends think, what your family thinks, what everyone thinks. Now, let me ask our friends watching, do you care what people think? Say yes or no in the comments.
Yes, please tell us. We want to hear from you.
Okay, so now we understand. This fear starts when we are young. But Jack, what happens now when we are older?
Oh, it gets bigger. Now it's not just school, it's everywhere.
Yes, at work, with friends, online, in the supermarket, everywhere.
You walk into a room and you feel everyone is looking at me.
Your heart beats fast, boom, boom, boom. You feel nervous,
We have a word for this feeling. We say you feel anxious.
anxious. Say it with me. N-X-I-O-U-S. Anxious.
Anxious means worried, very worried inside. You feel stress in your body.
For example, I feel anxious when I speak English in front of people.
Repeat after me. I feel anxious.
Good. So when you feel anxious, what do?
You stop. You don't speak. You hold back.
Hold back. This means you stop yourself. You want to do something, but you don't do it.
For example, I wanted to ask a question, but I held back.
Can you say that? I held back. Good.
So you hold back your words. You hold back your ideas. You hold back you.
But here is something important, my friends. Are you ready?
This is big. Listen carefully.
Most people are not thinking about you.
Wait, what? Say that again.
Most people are not thinking about you. They are thinking about themselves.
Oh, this is true. When I walk into a room, I think everyone is looking at me.
Oh, this is true. When I walk into a room, I think everyone is looking at me.
Yes, everyone is busy with their own problems.
So you are not the star of their movie. You are just a small person in the background.
Ha, I like that. I am not the main character in their life.
Exactly. So why do we worry so much?
Good question. I think because we imagine things.
Yes, we imagine they are judging us. We imagine they are laughing.
But maybe they are not. Maybe they don't care at all.
Or maybe they are also nervous just like you.
Now, friends, think about this. When was the last time you judged someone? Write in the comments.
Hello! We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities.
Where you can direct the voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
Yes, I think you will see you don't judge people often. So why do you think they judge you?
Yes, I think you will see you don't judge people often. So why do you think they judge you?
Okay, so now let's talk about something else. Jack, do you try to be perfect?
Oh no. Do I? Maybe. Sometimes.
Me too. I think when my English is perfect, then I will speak.
Or when I look perfect, then I will go out.
But here's the problem. Perfect never comes.
Yes, you wait and wait and wait, but perfect never arrives.
So you never start. You never try.
And this is so sad because you aren't good enough now.
Yes, you don't need to be perfect. You need to be real,
We have a beautiful word for this: authentic.
authentic. Say it slowly. Authentic. Authentic.
Authentic means real, true, the real you, not fake.
For example, I want to be authentic. I want to be myself.
Say it with us. I want to be authentic. Good job.
When you are authentic, you don't pretend. You don't wear a mask.
You show the real you, even if you are not perfect.
And you know what? People love authentic people.
Yes, because authentic people are honest. They are real. They are warm.
So, my friends, here is a question for you. Are you authentic or do you pretend sometimes? Tell us in the comments.
Okay, now, Julia, I want to tell you something I do.
Okay, tell me.
When I am scared of what people think, I do something strange.
What? What do you do?
I ask myself, will this matter in 5 years?
Oh, I love this.
Yes, I think if I say something wrong now, will I remember it in 5 years?
And the answer is?
No, I will not remember. It's not important.
Exactly. Today feels big, but tomorrow, next week, it's small.
Yes, so why worry so much about this small moment?
Oh, this is so good. Friends, try this. Ask yourself, will this matter in 5 years?
And I promise you, most things will not matter.
Okay, so now, Jack, I want to teach our friends a very important phrase.
Okay, what is it?
The phrase is, I don't care.
Ooh, strong words.
Yes, but it's very useful. I don't care what they think.
Wait, but is this rude? Is this mean?
No, not if you use it in your heart. It's for you, not for them.
Ah, so you don't say it to people, you say it to yourself.
Yes, someone laughs, you think, I don't care. Someone judges you, I don't care.
This gives you power. You are free.
Let's practice. Say with me, I don't care what they think. Louder, I don't care what they think.
Yes, say it again at home. Say it in the mirror.
It feels good, right?
Okay, but Julia, I have a question. What if someone says something mean? What if they criticize you?
Ah, good question. Criticize. This means they say something negative about you.
For example, your English is bad. This is criticism.
Yes, and criticism can hurt. It can make you sad.
So, what do we do?
We ask, is this criticism true or is it just their opinion?
Oh, good idea.
Sometimes criticism is true. Maybe you can improve something. Okay, you learn.
But sometimes criticism is not true. It's just someone's bad mood.
Yes, maybe they're angry. Maybe they're jealous. Maybe they're having a bad day.
So it's not really about you, it's about them.
Exactly. So what do? You brush it off.
Brush it off. I love this phrase.
Yes, imagine dust on your shoulder. What do? You brush it off with your hand.
So when someone says something mean, you just brush it off.
For example, he said I was stupid, but I brushed it off.
Let's practice. Say, I brush it off. Good.
You hear the criticism, but you don't keep it in your heart. You let it go.
Fly away, negative words. Fly away.
Huh, I love that.
Okay, friends, now we want to give you 3 easy tips. 3 simple things you can do today.
Yes. Are you ready? Get a pen and paper.
Tip number 1, start small.
You don't need to be brave in front of 100 people. Just start with one person.
Say hello to your neighbor. Ask one question in class. Send one message.
Small steps, not big jumps.
Yes, every small step builds your confidence.
Tip number 2, remember you are learning.
You don't need perfect English. You are a student. Students make mistakes.
And mistakes are good. Mistakes help you learn.
So when you speak English and you make a mistake, smile. Say, oops, I am learning.
Yes, don't be hard on yourself. Be kind.
And tip number 3, focus on one person who loves you.
Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities.
Where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
When you feel scared, think about one person who supports you. Your friend, your mom, your sister.
Think about their face, their smile, their kind words.
And speak to that person in your mind, not to the scary people.
This makes you feel safe. This makes you feel strong.
Okay, friends, which tip do you like most? Number 1, 2, or 3? Tell us in the comments.
Now, before we finish, I want to say something important.
Okay, tell us.
You are enough. Right now, today, you are enough.
Oh, Jack, that's beautiful.
You don't need to be smarter, prettier, funnier, richer. You are enough.
Yes, you are valuable just as you are.
And the people who matter, they will see that. They will love you for you.
The people who don't see it, they are not your people. Let them go.
Yes, you don't need everyone to like you.
You just need to like yourself.
Say this with me, friends. I am enough. Again, I am enough.
Feel it in your heart. You are enough.
Okay, my friends, we are near the end of today's episode.
I hope you feel a little lighter now, a little more free.
Remember, most people are not thinking about you. They are busy with their own life.
So stop worrying. Start living. Be yourself.
And please, if this video helped you, click that like button. It really helps us.
Yes, and subscribe if you want more easy English conversations like this.
We make new videos every week. Videos to help you learn English in a fun, easy way.
And tell us in the comments, what is one thing you will try this week? Will you say hello to someone? Will you ask a question?
Yes, we want to hear from you. Your comment can help other people too.
And remember, learning English is a journey. Some days are easy, some days are hard.
But you are not alone. We are here with you.
Every video, every lesson, we are walking with you.
So don't give up. Keep going. You are doing great.
Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
See you in the next video. Take care, my friends.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.